What if the thing you hate most about yourself was never your fault? Your procrastination, your forgetfulness, your inability to just start. What if none of that was laziness? Most people think ADHD looks like a hyperactive child running in circles. But adult ADHD looks different. Looks like shame. Looks like exhaustion. And too often, it looks like laziness. But laziness is a choice. ADHD is not. Today I will share 5 rare signs. Signs that what you call laziness might actually be ADHD. These insights are rarely discussed. So listen gently and stay with me. In 1. You want to do the thing, but your body will not move. You are sitting on your bed. You need to shower. You want to shower. You know you will feel better after, but you cannot stand up. Minutes become hours. Guilt piles on guilt. This is not laziness. Laziness feels good. This feels like being trapped. In the ADHD brain, the prefrontal cortex, your brain CEO, cannot send the go signal to your body. You have desire. You have intention. But the bridge between thinking and doing is broken. Sign 2. You have 100 open tabs in your brain, all playing sound at once. A lazy person is calm. They choose not to engage. But you are exhausted because you cannot stop engaging. Imagine sitting in a room with 100 televisions. Someone asks you to watch only channel 5. You try. But every other channel is blasting. This is your brain. Every waking moment. You are not lazy. You are drowning in noise that no one else can hear. The effort to filter it drains you before you even start. Sign 3. You only work well under extreme pressure. And you hate that about yourself. Lazy people avoid pressure. But you wait until the night before the deadline. Then you produce brilliant work. Then you swear you will never do it again. Then you do it again. Your brain needs crisis-level dopamine to function. Small rewards like "I'll feel good when this is done" are too quiet for your brain to hear. But panic floods your system with adrenaline. Suddenly, you can focus. This is not laziness. This is a brain that only responds to emergencies. Sign 4. You lose things. Not because you are careless, but because your brain already moved on. You put your phone down. 2 seconds later, it is gone. You search for 20 minutes. It is in the freezer. Your brain does not store memories of routine actions, because it finds them boring. Most brains automatically record, "I put my keys on the hook." Your brain says, "This action is boring. Do not save." You are not forgetful because you do not try. You are forgetful because your brain actively discards the memory. Sign 5. You feel deep shame about things that should be easy. And that shame paralyzes you even more. Here is the rarest truth. Lazy people do not feel shame about being lazy. They feel comfortable. But you feel shame. Heavy, suffocating shame. You have tried so many times. You have made lists. You have set alarms. And each time, your brain failed to execute. After enough failures, your brain learned something painful. Trying hurts. Expecting to fail hurts less. This is called learned helplessness. It looks like laziness. But inside, it is a wound. Laziness is a choice to rest. When rest is possible. ADHD is an inability to act when action is desired. If you were lazy, you would not be searching for answers. You would not feel the weight of everything you have not done. The very fact that you care, the very fact that you are here, proves this was never laziness. If this resonated, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more psychology that actually helps. And please, remember this. You are not broken. You are wired differently. And that is not a flaw. It is simply another way of being human. Thank you for listening.